she also just mentioned, I presented on the topic of OTT algorithmic experience at the conference.
Mm.
The title of the study is Exploring Algorithmic Experiences in OTT with a mixed method approach. In a nutshell, the study investigates the various algorithmic experience user encounter in OTT services like Netflix, Disney Plus, etc. But my study focuses on only Netflix, aiming to conceptualize algorithmic experience, explore their components and level, and determine which combination of components and level can build a highly satisfactory algorithm service and user experiences. The challenge I faced during this research, it was applying the theoretical framework by peer researcher Butcher of Facebook algorithm experience to the OTT context.
Okay.
Since the format and process of recommendation services in social media and OTT are very different, so distinguish this and applying them to the OTT context was a bit tricky. Well, not just in this research, but throughout my research journey as a researcher, I'm driven by a desire for self-improvement and trying out new things.
Mm.
The deeper I delve into my field of study, the more I encounter new things. So each time I come across something new, it sparks fresh ideas and I find joy in organizing this thought, and this process of academic progression brings a sense of achievement.
Mm.
I think it fueled my motivation to continue researching. Actually, we have 4 new full-time students in my laboratory. And so what I want to tell them and anyone just starting out as a researcher is not to lose their current passion and not to compare themselves with others and just focus on diving deep into area that spark your interest where you can really concentrate and shine. So I think it's really crucial to find your niche and excel in it. Throughout the registration process for the conference and afterwards, me and Dr. Floor Charles kept in touch through email, and I really appreciated how quick and cooperative the responses were, and making the whole process smooth and easy. And then also, I want to express my gratitude for the Tokyo conference organizing members for showing a lot of interest in the researcher work and for providing a space where we could engage in discussion together.